this roadmap.sh. Once you open that, you can see various roadmaps here. So that roadmaps, you can see, you can create the ready-made roadmaps of front-end or full stack or AI and data scientist. For example, if we have to see the ready-made roadmap available for AI and data scientists, so likewise, there are various roadmaps that you can see here. Okay, and you can create any of the roadmap. So certain roadmaps are based on skills and certain roadmaps are based on this. For example, if I go for let us say the AI and data science, I'll just click on that. Okay, you can see this ready-made. Okay, you can see this ready-made roadmap is available for you, right? But what is the beauty of this roadmap? When you click on any of the point, you can see the details of that. That is the beauty. I'll show you how one can create their own roadmap. So let us move on how to create your own roadmap. See that I have created my own roadmap. Suppose I'm opening that. You can see here that this is the roadmap developed by me. It is based on one of the course that I am delivering this semester, that is database management system. These are certain buttons. When you click on this, it will open the entire course file of DBMS. So that I have given. So you can see this is live. When I click here, it will give you what the course material of DBMS, where all the units are given and you can download the PPTs as well as what the course material, assignments, entire thing, which is with respect to DBMS. And these are the YouTube videos. When you click on this, and you can see that there are entire videos available with respect to DBA. So these are the buttons that I have done, and this is the entire roadmap you can see. Okay, so very first unit is related to introduction to databases. So you can click on this, and you can see entire information of DBMS, which is given here. So this will serve as the unit, the notes, course material for the students. For example, the basic for example, the types of databases, when you click on that, you can see the various types of databases. Okay. Then click on data inconsistency, you can see the information about data inconsistency. So this way, I have created, the entire roadmap for my course that I'm actually delivering. So you can create your own roadmap. Okay. But the question left, how to create that. Okay. So let us move how to create. So I'm going on that particular thing now, so that we can create our own dashboard. Okay. So sorry, we can create our own roadmap. So let us move. You can use this option, that is generate visual roadmap with AI. Okay. When you give any topic here, for example, I'm talking about big data analytics or the data science, one of the course. Okay. Data science and big data analytics. Okay. So it will create, it will create the ready-made, it will create the ready-made roadmap for you. Okay. And this roadmap you can share this roadmap with the students as well as your friends. You can download it. Okay. So entire roadmap will get downloaded and you can open that roadmap like this. You can see the entire roadmap, which is available here in the form of images, as well as you can share it. You can copy and you can share this with what your students or your friends. So this way, this is the way of what creating roadmap using AI. But suppose you have to create your own roadmap entirely from scratch. So that is also possible. Okay, you can generate your own, like you can create your own roadmap. For example, I have created here one of the roadmap of DBMS, and now I'm creating the fresh, that is create your own roadmap. Suppose I'm giving the name, let us say, course file of DBMS. Okay, so I have to create, I'm planning to create a roadmap for my course file. So that I have given, and now I'll say create. Okay, you can give here the course file of DBMS, or you can later on update this. So I'm trying to create it. Now it is asking me what is it. So this will be your, so this is what the editor where you can update your own course file. Here you can see various tools which are available. You can take you can take a title like this. Okay. Okay. Ready. Already this title is available. So what you need to do is you need to click on that, and you can add your own title, that is course file of EBMS. Okay. This way I have. Okay. And now here could be the first topic where you can mention the syllabus or curriculum of DBMS, or you can simply say syllabus. Okay, because DBMS is now common. So you can mention here, you can provide the content of what the course file. For example, I can say that this is the syllabus, okay, and of SPPU. Okay, this is related to what? DBMS, third year, computer engineering, okay, SPPU. And you can provide the link here. You can simply say save. Okay, so this will be set. So once you click here, this information will be visible. But now I'm interested in what I want this particular, course file. I want this syllabus to be downloaded when I click on that. So what I will do is, this is what my syllabus is. I have already uploaded it on my blog. So I'll copy that. Okay, I have copied that link. Again, I'm going here at course file. Okay, and here I'm mentioning, okay, I'm updating. I'm going here and add a link. Okay, so this link will be added. I have to give the title. So I can say that this is syllabus, or I can say download. Okay, and I'll mention here, okay, I'll mention here the link that I have already added. And now I'll say save. Okay, once you do this, you can click on live view. Okay, so that your roadmap will be looking like this. And when you click on this, you can see here the syllabus of SPP. Whatever I have written as a description, it is coming like this. And this is what the article, you can click on this and the entire syllabus will get downloaded, right? So this way you can add many things about the syllabus. Later on, for example, here I want to give, let us say, the information. For example, I want this. You need to go to edit mode for that. Okay, you need to go to edit mode. So this is my edit mode. I can go down and I can create my own, suppose this one. Okay, suppose I want to give here the vision, mission of department. So I can mention that also here. Okay, and you can provide the content here. You can simply say save. Okay, then go to vision mission. This is already available on our link. So I have simply copied. What I will do is I will simply mention here again. Okay, I'll mention here on this that this is what the vision, mission of our department. Okay, you can mention like that. So this is vision, mission. Go to this, say vision, mission, and add link. This is vision, mission. Okay, and you can add link here. Simply Control V. Once you do that, say save roadmap. Once done, again you need to click on live view. So this will be visible. Okay, and you can click here and okay, just a minute. What we have done is here. Okay, and this will help you to show your own roadmap. So what you can do is you can always create the topic. For example, I am interested in what I'm interested in mentioning certain points. For example, I'm giving here. Okay, I'm going here, simply checking the content, adding the link. I'll say vision, mission, add the resource link, say save, roadmap. Once saved, you can go here, you can simply refresh it. Okay, once you refresh it, okay, and then you need to click here. Once you click here, okay, you can see the content. Oh, why it's not coming? Let me check. So I'll go here again, go to this. Okay, I need to mention vision, mission, okay, VM. You can add appropriate content later on. Again, say download. And here you can mention the link and say save roadmap. Once you have saved that, go to this, refresh it. Once refreshed, click here. Now you can see this article that is download. When you click on that, you can see the vision animation. Okay. So it is very, very simple. Okay. You can, if you don't want this, you can simply remove. Okay. If you don't want this, you can simply remove it. You need not to worry for that. So simply go and delete. Simply go, delete. Okay, you can go and delete. Or if you want this, you can say that, for example, I want to store here PO, PSO. Okay, so I'm going here on content, again say PO, PSO, PO, PSO. I will add a link of PO, PSO and simply copy, and this link will be added for PO and PSO. I'll simply refresh it again and I'll check whether it is updated or not. See that PO, PSO. You can see here article. Once you click on that, you can see here PO, POs and PSOs are mentioned. So this way you can create your own roadmap. Friends, this is very, very easy tool. You can even take what different titles. You can add paragraphs. Okay, you can add your own label. Suppose I have to add subtopic, so I'll take that. Okay, I'll give the name to that particular subtopic. For example, I'm interested in, let us say, academic calendar. So I'll mention that. Okay, and here you can again use this academic calendar. Okay, then say AC and say save. Once you do that, you can see here this block is ready for academic calendar. But we want to mention here some information. For example, suppose this is our academic calendar. I'm simply copying it. Okay, and again, I'm coming on what the update block. So I'll update it. Again, the process is very same. Content, links, what we need to do is, sorry, I need to talk, I'm talking about academic calendar. Go to contents and links, add links. Okay, give the name. For example, this is our academic calendar, or one can say download, right? So download, or I can mention here the year 2023, okay, and then 24, same too. And here I can paste the link. Done. I'll say save roadmap. Okay, once done, I'll see this by using refresh. Refresh it. Once refreshed, you can see this academic calendar. Click on that. Okay, and you can simply download the academic calendar. Friends, this is the way by which you can, create your own roadmap. And the beauty of that roadmap will be what? You can share that roadmap with your friends. Okay, once you share that roadmap, okay, students or your friends can use it. The way you can see that I'm dealing with the course that is DBMS, it is developed by me, and you can see that the entire information related to DBMS course I have given. And I can share this with my students as well as what my friends, so that they can refer it. Okay, and that's the beauty that you can see. Okay, so this way one can create what? The roadmap. There are various ready-made roadmaps maps which are available, but yes, you can always create your own roadmap. You can edit your roadmap, and you can always, if you want to remove this roadmap, simply click on delete and you can remove that particular roadmap. So this way you can create the roadmap. I hope आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा. If so, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you all.